guys, today I want to share with you where I buy my stuff to creation. Of course I will buy from Amazon, from eBay, but I'm a little bit the type of person who likes to first see what is real, like its color, touch it, feel it, and after when I use, I will order from Amazon or eBay. So guys, what I have from Hobbycraft, I show you now. Yeah, Ginger, do you like Hobbycraft? Ginger, do you like it? You face like you don't care about Hobbycraft. Okay, anyway, I will show you. Don't know which one to buy. Yeah, I'm recording everything. This is old decoupage. I like the cut, and that is one more time. What do you want now? So this one, plaster mold. This is plaster mold. So this is polymer clay. Is not big. So what I have this molding thing. Yep, this one. Yep. And I have like glue, something like that. Oh, also what I found, this one, spray paint for fabric, which I will try because I really want to try to fabric wings to my fairies. Snow, Christmas coming today. Artificial snow. Dun, 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 dun. I will try some decoration for Christmas.
What decoration for Halloween, Mom?
George.
Those some Christmas.
This is some Christmas tree.
Mom, we need some decoration
That's-
for Halloween.
Yeah, we will do George. Just give me a second. I'm recording video. That's it. Little house. And this, I'm gonna do something like a little fairy baby house. And so for Christmas, it's gonna be like a Christmassy fairy. It's a glass actually. Or maybe some plastic. I don't get it. It's a glass or plastic? Glass, yeah. I'm doing glass actually. So that's, and a lot of all sorts of ink colors. I bought this, guys. So many colors I bought. I bought all the colors. Oh, I'm so happy. I'm happy.
Hey, can we use some of them?
The colors. This is ink, George. This is, you can't use for your plastiline, baby.
No, I just need using for paper.
You can use for paper acrylic one, but this is something. And also this one for my sewing robins. So that's for now, guys. So bye for now.